it's me again, and today I'm going to be doing a G Fuel unboxing. So I got Faze with the Faze shaker, Faze 2.0. So I doubt the shaker's in here, but we'll find out now. Okay, so when you open the box, this is exactly what you see here. Here I have Faze Gamma and the one and only Faze 2.0 shaker. What else do we have? We have a little Faze G Fuel pamphlet, sticker, and a scuff. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's in the box. Use code G Fuel for 5% off. This is actually a really nice sticker. By the way, this is what the sticker looks like. Now we're gonna open the shaker. To be honest, this is what I've been looking forward to. It's not. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Yeah, that's really nice. It's extremely smooth and feels extremely high quality. So on the inside of the shaker, you just unscrew it, and you have a little filter. Just put in. You should use this because it helps filter out all the powder inside when you're shaking it. On the side it has grams, and on the side ounces. Here we have Faze. So I think I might open this up and do a taste test. Faze shaker. G-Fuel. Okay, here we go. So, when you open this up, what do you see? Seal. Lift and peel. It smells highly of berries. Now what you want to do, you gotta find the scoop. So, this can be a pain in the butt. Wait, is that it? Please tell me that's it. Looks like we got it. We found the scoop. Usually what happens when you get it, scoops usually fall. So you gotta empty it out, obviously. Now most people don't actually know the right amount of powder to put into your G Fuel. So, see this thing? Comes off. Just like that. It's open. So this is just basically a funnel to put it into water bottles. This is the actual amount you want to have in. Right up to that line. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a line there. I'm gonna fill it to the line. So here we go. Okay, so now we're at 16 grams more. You wanna put your filter back in. You're gonna scoop out a beautiful thing of G Fuel. Just like so. I'm just gonna. Here we go. Let's get the close up of this. Literally just gonna lay it flat right on there. That's all. I'm just gonna show that back now. So yeah, it looks pretty well mixed now. And so now we are going to have a taste test. You guys can't really see this because the lighting isn't all that great, but here, if I tilt it, that is literally how it looks when in the shaker. So yeah, let's try this. Okay. By the taste of it, that is a lot better than Tropical Rain by a mile. As much as I love you, that one's so much better. This one you can like taste exactly what it shows. It tastes like strawberry pomegranate, and blueberry. That's literally what it tastes like. It tastes exactly like this root soap, and it is extremely good. Also, many of you will ask, does the shaker make a difference? Is this required? And it makes a huge difference. Like, when I was just reusing the water bottle, it would be powdery, and you would get that liquid straight vitamin, and it would not taste good. It tastes chalky, but this will really make it real well. It tastes so much better. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing, comparison, taste test, whatever you want to call it. Please leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment, because that means the world. And yeah, check out the rest of my channel for more good content. And check out my other channel, Simon Vlogs, for more.